Good morning, welcome to the Parrot Live. It is 9 a.m. and I am making their breakfast. It's a little bit late. I finally got everything. Their bowls situated, cleaned. Sorry, it's still early, I can't talk. I'm making them food right now. And that's Harvey. This is gonna be my daily routine of what I do on Fridays. I'm pet sitting right now. As you can see, that's Harvey, the African gray. That's on the stand there. If you guys want to keep watching, please subscribe to my channel and let's see how their breakfast looks like. Get tablespoons of water and mix it up. That's their little veggie bowl. Mix up the water. It's basically like dried veggies, by the way. So like that's not enough. So I'm gonna put some more in. That's how it looks like. Mix. Smells really good. Now you gotta squeeze water out. Mixing it. Okay, now I'm gonna be making their food. BirdTricks freeze dry. You can get it on birdtricks.com. So first, it's like dried freeze dry. There's not that much left, so I'll just put everything in it. All of it. Now you're gonna do tablespoons of water. Oh, it's on my face. Stick them up. Bird. Charlie, wave. Good bird.